What's up, traders? Going 2 for 2. Let's get to it. Traders, as always, if you want to watch these trades live, go over to my Twitch channel. I actually pulled it up this time so I can actually show you. So first thing we're going to do, go to the my actual Twitch channel. This is what's going to pop up. Scroll down, click on my name, and then down here there's going to be home, about, schedule, videos, chat. Click on videos, and then right here it says filter by, and they all should be in here, but this is going to include the actual live streams as well. So if you click on this drop down menu and click highlights, every single trade will be broken down right there for you. So you can kind of hover over it. You can see this was PHUN from today, and this was MRAM from today. And then you can obviously just keep doing that all the way down the line for any one that you would like to watch. So with that said, let's go over our first trade, which was on MRAM, and this was kind of a fun one. Previous resistance, you had one there, you had one here, got a nice little move up there through those resistance areas, and we took a nice little starter. Had a decent little move through 9, started it, took a little bit off. Actually, I believe we got to add first, and then we took some off, and then it started to go higher. Actually added that back up through 950, and then we were just looking for the quick flush, but then it just took off. It went straight up to 10, right through 10, and we ended up hammering this thing. We ended up with 300 total shares. We had 100 shares, adding back the half that we took off, and then we added 100 and then another 100 to give us a total of 300. And then as it came back down, we started to scale out and was really hoping this would fall up over back down under 9. So we kept a little bit on there, and unfortunately, we put a trailing stop in there, and it basically came up, tagged us, and then finally made that dip below 9. But as you can see, since that dip below 9, it actually has done nothing but try to ease its way higher. So pretty good trade there on MRAM. Got some size on it and scaled out pretty nicely. Probably could have been a Q trade had we not get stopped out there, and it came back down under 9. Would have been nice, but unfortunately it didn't happen. So PHUN, this one was a very frustrating trade. Scroll, you can see where the previous resistance came from. It's yesterday's after hours. Made a nice little move up through the $0.50. Clearly did want to go higher. You could see the jiggle. And so we got in. Then it started kind of flirting around, chopping back and forth. And we had an order out at 44 for everything. Just looking for the scalp. I believe we were just looking for the 10 cents. Yeah, 454. So we had it at 444. And there was like a 2 or 3 cent spread. So even when it got down to 445, we couldn't get out of 446. It was like 445 by 448 or something like that. So it was a bit frustrating. It missed us by a penny. So then somebody kept holding it up at that 46 level, and it was getting very frustrating. But I figured if it broke, we would get a decent little flush back down towards that previous resistance at 36. So we put our order at, let's look at the candle. Where do you think we put it? We put it at 442. And this time it was really just for 75% of our position, because I figured if it broke that, we were going to come test this at least, and then possibly come down and retest these lows, which is what it ended up doing, but not before missing us on the bid at 442, and then moving back up, reclaiming 450. And that's when we decided to just take it all, because we didn't want to have it do all of this and then end up with a loser at high of day. I wasn't gonna let that happen. So took the frustrating smaller win there, and just gonna have to deal with it. So no Friday night live stream. I think I'm gonna put those on pause for a little while. I've been, kind of putting family aside, not aside, but I've been kind of not doing things Friday nights because of the Friday night live streams, and I haven't been getting the Friday night live stream, attendance that I would like, at least not yet. I don't plan to get rid of them forever. Just for right now, I'm going to take a little bit of a break, spend a little bit more time with the family on Friday nights. And yeah, that's that. Have a good weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. If you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. You can find me on Twitter. You can find me in the Discord. And I'll see you guys Monday morning. Peace.